We joke this is actually the most square building we ever made. 8 by 12, door somewhere over there, we don't know yet. Chicken laying boxes, little extra room for roost and feed place. And then we'll have the chicken run out there somewhere. I'm actually sort of impressed. The way we did this, different than we usually do, actually went better. To go ahead and put like these support boards and keep everything where it needs to be. So it's not how we did the other ones. It'll be about 2.5 feet off the ground. So it'll be a lot of space underneath. What do you think about the chickens?
They're really great and really awesome.
Really great and really awesome. What? They're awful cuddled up.
Right. They're about second, they're so nice and they're really pretty.
They're really pretty?
Yep.
Yep.
Didn't you say they were really tiny too? Did you say they were little tiny?
Yeah.
Try it. Standoffish. That's ready to have flooring put in. We're not gonna do it because it's like supposed to rain really bad and storm, and then also drop 60 degrees tonight, literally, and start snowing. Dad added the where they hang off the ground a little bit more, but they look like they're thriving to me. Right? Doing chicken things. Crazy windy out today, so I didn't do much recording for this garden, but this is the start of it. Everything's relatively level, tied in together. Crazy windy. Dad's favorite tree got messed up. This is a maple in the backyard. That blew down, unfortunately. Yeah. Oh, bro. Oh, that is so much better.
You like it?
Oh, absolutely.
Sounds funny with them.
It does. I need to sync that one.
Oh, shit. Oh, crazy. Told you. It's quick.
Yeah. You know what we did? Cut the groove off.
Huh?
Cut the groove off. So it don't much matter, does it? Well, I don't even know if I had a groove to begin with, to be honest. We did something a little goofy. This is old tar paper from the barn. I don't know what. It's probably used for a roof sometime. But we used it just to make it more smooth on the OSB. So now we're gonna actually add linoleum that we bought. I think it's like $100 to put this down. So we'll put linoleum, put the walls on top of it. That way it's like a nice smooth, relatively waterproof surface instead of being on straight OSB. So it'll be easy to clean. I'm also rocking my Christmas present today. Thanks, Lindsay. Nice slick floor to clean the chickens up easy.
posting videos again?
I always meant to be. It's just
Yeah.
let the old one work. Right?
Here. Go.
Yeah, we're gonna use it.
So that's 3 walls done, braced up really good because it's getting windy now all of a sudden for no reason. But 10 foot this side, 8-foot walls, slant roof. Door will be on probably on this side right there. We'll frame it in later. We're just skipping it for now. So. There you go, perfect. Okay, come out. Yep. Oh. All right, it was only a half day of work here because I had to work my other job. But we got face birds all the way around. And I thought he was peeing for a second, but he's just pouring out Gatorade. And then we got the sheeting on, and we got the tar paper, and then we'll put house wrap, and then we'll put the shingles on. Apparently he's doing this shingles. All right, first window frame I've ever done. I've watched a lot of YouTube. Tell me what I did wrong, but it feels pretty solid, and the window fits, so good enough. It's good enough for who it's for. We're roofing today. I've got the starter shingles on all the way around, so we're ready to start actually doing it. For sure. Gotta cut one for that.
Up here. Yeah. Okay. You can take it out now.
All right, I think today is the day we move the chickens in here. We just bought a huge square bale of straw to put in the floor in back of Dad's truck. But we have an old door that we're given, and it works. So put a doorknob on, and we're good to go. Nesting box, roost. And I think we're gonna make a shelf up here for straw. Chicken mansion. That's some big feet. We're ducky. Cheeky. Oh.
Let me do it.
What you guys doing? If I walk over here, y'all gonna freak out? Yep, kinda. Do you see its head? Like it's keeping stable. It's just like, I just don't know what to think about this straw. Hey, don't kick stuff at him. Fun fact, some weirdo thought there was a grand conspiracy because of the sign coming down when really it just needed refinished. So here's to you.
I don't know.
Look to your left.
My what?
On the ground. Do you see a brown thing on the ground?
I don't know.
Yeah, you do.
I don't.
Look, it's right over here somewhere. That's it. Nope. Okay, good job. Yep, you grabbed it. That's a mushroom. That's your first mushroom, little bro.
Can I eat it?
No, not yet. Papa's gotta fry it. Okay. No, don't eat it, Gilbert Goober. Can I have it?
Yeah. Okay.